Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to see your debit card number on the Navy Federal app in just a few easy steps. First, open the Navy Federal mobile app and sign in using your username and password. Once you're logged in, tap on Cards in the navigation bar. This will show all your active cards. Next, select the debit card you want to view. Then, look for the option that says View Card Details. Once you tap it, your full 16-digit debit card number along with your expiration date and CVV will appear on the screen. And that's it. You can now access your card information safely whenever you need it. Just make sure to keep it private and secure. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.